I'm thinking of hammering on this. See this? It's got a... I think I'm going to hammer on it. See if I can straighten it. Let's have some fun. There we go. Light on. There we go. I call it the mallet. Let's see. It's not bad anything else, is it? Well, it's a little better. See? Not that better, but let's see. This one's bent. It's gonna be a short video. 1 minute. It's all over my freaking thing here. Something ill on it. On here. Oh, look at that. Here, I thought it would take me like 20 minutes. It's not bad at all. This part needs to be hammered out a little. I'm gonna get that out now. Yeah, I'm going to slight perfection. That one's straight. This one looks straight. Looks pretty straight. It appears to be pretty straight. Yeah, back to back, they're pretty. This one here, another dented one. So I want to pop this out a little. Why? Let's take this. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Let me put this over here. Come on, stupid camera. Ugh. This thing's always freaking. There we go. You see the corner of the bench right here? Nope. There's stuff in the way. This over here. You see that corner? I'm gonna go like this. Watch. It's a little bit crooked. It's straight. It's got a slight curve to it. Yeah, I know. I could just leave it. It should be fine. This side right here is going inward a little. I want it out. So call me crazy. Let's see. What happens if I go like weird. It's a little better. I feel like I should put it in the vise and hit it, peen it this way. That way, just hammer it. Maybe. Hold on. I'll see what I can do. Hold on a second. Oh, I could. See, this is one of them. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a slight bend right here. Yeah, I know. I'm a little anal retentive, but I took it out here and probably knock it out here in a little bit here. It's like it's going slightly inward. Make this marker here. Right about here and here. So I'm going to knock the things out. I know, I don't have to do this, but it's just fun. It makes it like, attention to detail. That's what I always learned. Watch, I'll come back and see. See if you look at it, right, like so. Let me see this way. This goddamn camera, it's stupid. There's a slight goes slightly inward here. See, right over here, because it goes in a little. I'm gonna fix it. Stay tuned. All right, after being super anal retentive, I fixed it. So those look just like brand new. This one looks really nice, actually. This is, I think, left side to the right side, or vice versa. Look pretty cool. You could, yeah. So anyway, that's short video. Bang bang, done. These are all going to get blasted and powder coated, and ta-da! They have numbers on this thing though. This one has a number on here. Oh, S11. What's this one? What is it? S12. 0S12. There's a number on the side here. I don't know if you can see it. Right on here. Wonder why. I think it was, why would there be a number on there? That's weird. Let me clean it off. Let's see. CS12. Weird. See, there's a number on there. Anybody own a bike? CS12? I don't know. Anyway. Oh wait, there's crud in there. There's crud inside there. In the crud housing. Any money in there? None in there. Some were swamped out and some were bogged up. So there we go. Ta-da! That's it. Short video. Thanks for watching. Toodles.